Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker SoundCore Motion 300 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not pairing with Bluetooth, or it's not syncing with an app, or it's not connecting to your phone, or it keeps disconnecting, anything like that where it's not working right, or even if it's not charging. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is just for any situation where you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it so that you can just go ahead and get a fresh start and set the speaker up like it's brand new. It's really easy to do. So to do this factory reset, all we need to do is find the Bluetooth button over here and the volume up button over here. And you will just press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 4 seconds until the reset initiates. And that will initiate the hard reset to the factory default settings, after which you can go ahead and set this up on your device, pair it with your device like you're pairing a brand new speaker.